What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna be doing something different today. We're gonna be working on Patrick's Integra. Pulled out and I thought he was leaking. Just water. Hey, you're fucking gonna scratch!
Good job, bro. Oh, you're laughing. You were distracted.
Shut up. Look, you're taking freaking... You're literally a freaking lawnmower, man. Hurry up. Really a lawnmower.
So is that better?
Can you put it in?
Is that better?
Yes, much better.
Alright.
Alright, so this is my boy Patrick.
So, Patrick.
Introduce.
Alright, so. Hey, wait, you messing shit up, bro. I'm trying to do my intro right now. Fuck. Alright, so check it out. I got this car like, how long ago? Like a month or two? I got it for an okay price. I mean, I've been finding out I got little problems there and then, but we'll get that going. So right now, we're gonna do a steering wheel, DND Performance. Got a steering wheel with the short hub, and then I wanted to do a quick release, but I can't wait because they're out of stock. So I got a NRG. So I got an NRG quick release from JDM Mafia Motorsports, and then I got my steering wheel and the short hub. So we're gonna
show it up.
I got you, bro. I got you right here. Check it out. So I went with the leather, black with gray, looking nice with the gray stitching right there. And nice looking short hub, so it doesn't feel like it's too close to me when I'm driving once I put the the quick release. So I got this just today after I got back from the junkyard. NRG. So we're gonna install that right now. Alright, let's do this. So I have an airbag. We're gonna disconnect
The battery.
Get my snap-on tool.
Real professional,
Oh,
right?
man, look at this shit, bro. Don't look
Real
in there, bro. There's a
professional.
little mess in there.
What is that shit? I see that.
So this car's all fucked up. I can take
Wait!
without doing anything, bro. Alright, so we got that disconnected. So you always want to disconnect the negative. If you have an airbag. If you don't, you don't gotta do that. But
You need new terminals, boy.
so yeah, I gotta change this out. I need a bracket.
Bracket, too!
This be shaky sometimes, bro. Alright. So yeah, disconnect the battery. And then now let's go inside. Alright, yo, so we're gonna take these covers off. One on the top and one on the bottom. On the bottom it has 3 Phillips screwdrivers.
This shit.
It says screwdrivers. I mean screws. Alright, so we're gonna take that off and then we'll continue from there. Where's behind me? Who's enjoying my ass?
Damn! Let me get a view from the other side.
Hey! Oh shit, what the?
Alright, so taking control. On this side, there will be an Allen right there. You're gonna have to take that out to separate this airbag. Oh.
And break it off.
I told you it was screwed on right there.
How are you supposed to get to that?
I have no idea. I have no clue. Oh no, man! How the hell did it come out the socket?
Okay, so you're gonna put the nut back on here.
So you don't
So
smack your
when
face.
yeah, while you're pulling it, it won't smack the hell out of you. Hey! So just wiggle it around and it's out.
So after the cut, ran a little detour.
Yeah, so the DND Shorthub, I didn't realize that it doesn't fit this Integra, it fits the RSX. So I got confused and, well, I got the wrong ones. But we have NRG now. I want to go to a little close shop around here and got myself an NRG Shorthub. So this one should fit. Yup, look at that, baby. Alright, so
Back to the install.
back to the install.
Alright, so what he's trying to get to right now is this yellow plug right on the steering column right there. It's just it'll focus. That does not want to focus at all. There's a yellow plug. So if your plug is like Patrick's, it might have this little plastic sheet covering the actual plug. You want to take this part off first, and then it'll expose a little tab to actually remove the plug. Just for reference, this is how the plug works.
So this should pull back and it should disconnect the yellow one. And then this one, I think the other side comes off too, right?
There's a little
it's
tab.
a slide, yeah. So
This one's the most annoying one.
yeah.
Couldn't figure it out for a while until I realized it's like my foreskin. Just pull back.
Oh my god. You're gonna get demonetized. There's a lot of holes, so you could kind of make it centered.
Yeah, just whatever hole suits you.
Yeah, so that one looks fine to me.
Does it look tight?
Yeah.
Good. 'Cause you look tight.
Oh my god, it looks so tight to him.
So, first things first, you're gonna get your screws in finger tight. The screws, and then you're gonna tighten it up with the alley. And then slap that shit on, and then put the bezels back on. We'll be back when we're done with the project. Alright guys, we finally installed the steering wheel, put back the bezel on. It looks good in this interior, to be honest. I mean, not these holes, not that rip though, not this guy either, just this area. All right, get in there, boy. Ooh. All right, and that's the end of the vlog. We're done. Peace.